Hello. I'm Dentist Fortune with over 25 years experience, and today I have dinner as my sidekick, and I'm going to use it as a demo. So, if you look in your mouth and you look at your teeth, you've got some grooves in there. These are natural grooves, and there are times decay starts from those grooves. And why it's important at times to have fissure sealants because I believe in dental prevention is better than cure. Now, today I'm going to talk about why is my teeth black? Yes. So there are some people, when you look in their mouth or their teeth, you can see some black marks in the groove. Do you know what it is? Well, when you eat sweets, your teeth become soft and decayed. Now, man may ask, what is tooth decay? Tooth decay occurs when you eat anything that has got sugar in it, like food, and the bacteria in your mouth acts on the sugar in the food, producing acid. This acid attacks the teeth and leads to teeth decay, and always starts with a groove. Now, some people's teeth are black. The reason is because at times the teeth repairs itself. When the teeth repairs itself, it's called arrested decay and it shows as black. So that is why at times when you look in some people's mouth, you may see some black stain. It could be arrested decay or it could be due to staining. Maybe you've drank something like tea, coffee, or anything like that. But if you've got grooves and you see staining like that, it could be arrested decay. It means there was a time you ate a lot of sweets and then you stop. So your teeth repaired itself. So yes, your teeth can repair itself if you don't eat a lot of sweets and you limit it to meal times. I never tell people not to eat sweets. You can have it, but have it after food instead of constant snacking. It's a no-no. So limit sweet to meal times. If you're having a juice or drink, use a straw so that the acid in the goes straight to the back of the throat. It doesn't touch the teeth. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank